So whenever somebody reaches out to me asking for an eyeshadow recommendation, without fail, the first one that I always list off is Seint's eyeshadow color Bright Eyes, and it's because, in my opinion, this is one of the most universal shades. So this right here is Bright Eyes, and the thing that I love about this shade is that it looks phenomenal on every eye color. It doesn't matter whether you have brown eyes, blue eyes, green eyes, gray eyes, hazel eyes, whatever your eye color is, this color is going to make your eye color just pop. I also love that this shade has a lot of versatility in terms of the look you can achieve with it. So if you are looking for more of like a subtle everyday look, you can apply just a really light coating of this color on and it'll be perfect for an everyday look. But if you want to kind of dress it up a little bit more, it has enough pigment and a little bit of shimmer to it that it will definitely be something that you could wear if you're wanting to be a little bit fancier or a little bit dressier. And then the other thing that I absolutely love about this shade is that it can be a standalone color. So there are some shades that are great as like accent colors or when they're paired with other shades. This one, while it is phenomenal for pairing with a bunch of other colors, it definitely can be a shade that you wear by itself and your eyes will still look fantastic. And because it can be a standalone shade, it also makes it so it can make your makeup routine, especially on your eyes, extremely fast because it's just a really quick eyeshadow look to achieve when you're using this color. So I'm gonna show you just how easy and great this color Bright Eyes is. So I'm just gonna take my index finger, I'm just gonna tap it into this color and you can see how extremely pigmented this shade is. And I am now just going to tap it across my lid and even up a little bit into my crease. Okay, so now that I've got it on my lid and up into my crease, I'm taking my eyeshadow brush, I'm gonna take the fluffy end of it, and I'm just gonna go in soft circular motions, concentrating mostly on the crease, and I'm just going to kind of blend it out a little bit to give it a little bit more of a softer edge and to soften up so there's not such a harsh distinction of where that color cuts off. And then now I'm just gonna take that same brush, I'm gonna flip it over to the smaller, denser end, tap it into Bright Eyes, and then I'm just gonna go right along my lower lash line just to tie the top and bottom together. Okay, so this right here is the finished look. All I did was add on some mascara and my favorite waterline eyeliner, and that was it. This whole look was created with that single eyeshadow. Without fail, whenever I have shown people the eyeshadows in person, this is always the one people gravitate towards first. It's also the shade that whenever I wear it, I always get compliments on my eyes. So trust me, when I say that everybody needs to have Bright Eyes in their makeup arsenal, I really mean it. You will never, ever regret having this color. And while this color is amazing for people that are really good with doing makeup and applying eyeshadows because it's so versatile in some of the colors and combinations you can create with it, this color is also amazing for people who feel like they're not good at makeup at all. There are a lot of people that reach out to me because they feel like they really struggle with eyeshadow and they have no idea how to apply it. And having a color like Bright Eyes will just make everything easier. Just because, as you saw, it's a single color. I didn't have to do anything fancy. I didn't have to do any special techniques. I just applied it all over and did a little blending and it ended up perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna link this eyeshadow color. If you do not already have it, absolutely do not hesitate to jump on grabbing this color because you need it, trust me. I will also go ahead and I will link this eyeshadow brush. It's an amazing brush. It'll do everything you need as far as your eyeshadow applications. So if you're not already using a good brush, this is another thing you'll wanna grab. Now, while Bright Eyes is a tried and true favorite for sure, Seint has a lot of eyeshadows and they are all phenomenal. So I will link all of their eyeshadows here as well, so that way you can look around and see if there are some other shades that you wanna grab. Now, Seint is also really well known for their 3D foundation, which is what I'm wearing everywhere else on my face. Best makeup in the world. If you're interested in getting color matched to it, I will go ahead and link my form so that you can fill that out and get a custom color match. Now, Seint also has an artist program that they offer. It's kind of the business side of things, and that's what I'm personally involved in. And if that is something that you are interested in learning a little bit more about, if you're wanting to be able to make some additional income, this could be a really good fit for you. And so I will go ahead, I will include a link here. You can get some additional information about the artist program. And then if it's something that you would like to explore a little bit further, I would love to be able to answer any questions you have. And then if you decide it actually is a good fit for you, I would love nothing more than to have you join my team and to work with you as your mentor here on the business side of Seint.